are the bucket list family.
Garrett, Jessica, Dorothy, Manila, and Callahan.
A few years ago, we sold everything to travel the world.
And now we're setting out on our biggest adventure yet.
Home.
While we're out gathering inspiration in amazing countries each week,
Our at-home experts, Andy and Candis, hi guys, will remodel our new home.
Not our house yet.
in real time,
Room by room.
we'll need your help too.
You decide what we experience in each country. We're asking you to help us plot our course, live.
This is your invitation to join us on this journey.
In Traveling Home. I feel like you're off key.
I'm not singing it.
Hola! Hello from Fiji.
And it is disgustingly beautiful here.
We took an amazing hike up to a waterfall. So Garrett, Dorothy, and I, we went under the waterfall and
We took a shower. We washed off.
It felt so good.
Andy, Candis, if you could please create us a shower, something indoor, outdoor, that feels as incredible as a Fijian waterfall, that's all we need.
Garrett's had this fetish.
I didn't say
Nope,
fetish.
it's a fetish. With indoor-outdoor bathrooms. Well, it's probably because anytime there is an indoor-outdoor shower, you're probably on a tropical island.
That's it. If you're going to have an indoor-outdoor shower, you're probably in a pretty amazing place.
That's true.
But there's also a lot of functionality about it, especially when you live next to a beach.
Sand is inevitable in Hawaii, like a lot of sand.
So how wonderful is it if you can be sandy from the beach and without even going into your home, you can right there wash off, shower off, and be all nice and clean. So our villa here in Fiji on Kokomo Island is the perfect example. Hi, Andy and Candis.
We're in the shower. Come on. This is gonna look so risque. The question is, shower or bath? I love a good bath.
But if you're gonna have a bath, you need to have a deep bath and a big bath, like a pool, or at least like a plunge pool, arguably. So if we can have a bath that could easily be mistaken for a pool.
How deep can you make a bathtub, Candis?
Yeah, I challenge you guys, challenge for you to make the world's deepest bath.
Hello from Hawaii.
Hey guys.
I did it like that. I did it
That was
like
good.
that.
That was good.
I'm not as cool.
I was gonna say I'm not cool enough to
I'm not as cool as them.
pull off the piece. This is fun for us because the G's are really minimalist, and this bathroom is gonna be a really great place to show that to the max.
Okay.
And even if you don't think you like minimalist style, stick
might like
around.
it
This
after
bathroom
this.
is gonna be cool. I hope so, or else we just
failed.
wasted everyone's time. Sorry.
Where are we? So when we first started, this bathroom was really closed off. It had a wall that faced the ocean, but in 1920, I guess they just didn't care to have that view.
Yeah. Why would you want that?
I mean, I don't know. So when we started peeling back the layers of the wall, we found out, the wall is completely rotten. And it was bad. It was being held together by paint.
Yeah. When you can
Paint.
do demo with your bare hands, you know that
That's
things
bad.
are bad.
That's real bad.
We had to reframe that wall anyway, and we wanted an entry and exit to make that indoor-outdoor shower, so we had the perfect opportunity to put in that door.
Now it's completely opened up. You can see the ocean from the hallway, and it adds a ton of light into the hall.
I can't believe the difference
Seriously.
that makes.
Garrett has asked for two very specific things. Well, he's asked for a lot of specific things. We'll focus on two. 3. He wants a shower that can turn all the way, that can have pressure all the way up when it's cold or hot.
Full pressure, cold
or
water.
hot, yep.
Not one that fizzles out as you turn it off.
He wants a giant bathtub, working on that, not stressed at all.
It's gonna happen.
So we started talking about this idea of, okay, could we build one? Could we make one out of concrete?
And luckily, we're not the first people to have this idea. It's
Yeah.
something that's been around for centuries, and we were able to find some craftsmen here in Hawaii who specialize in this kind of tub.
This is called a furo. It's like a Japanese soaking tub.
There we go.
F-U-R-O. I could say furrow. Should I say furrow?
You can say whatever you want.
It's a
It's a
poodle.
big tub.
And he wants to know where the light switch is. I
I'd
can
say
handle
after
that.
a couple days, he's gonna have it dialed in.
So we're gonna check all those things off our list and be done early this week. Just kidding, we have to build a giant bathtub. It's a huge construction project. It's like building a swimming
It's
pool.
something you build the form for hours and hours and hours at your shop. Then you bring the form over here, take it apart
To get it through the door.
piece by piece, and then rebuild it again in the perfect position.
Then you get like 6 guys to hold buckets of concrete.
2-gallon buckets.
Bring them in one at a time. It's a really tall tub, right? So if you think about it, it's like twice the mass of a normal tub that they've ever built. So when they start pouring the concrete in, the bottom broke out, which was bad. There were some swear words.
Yeah,
We cut those out for
Yeah,
you.
it filled the room with about 2 feet of concrete.
It's fine. This is the kind of drama we should be capturing, but honestly, we were afraid to even be
We
near
didn't
them.
even, we would let them work, and they did such a great job
They're
of
amazing.
jumping on it,
Yeah.
rebracing it, repairing the form.
They braced it around the entire room.
The ceiling, the walls, and then they poured it, and it all went smooth. For a minute there, I was
For a minute, I was like, guys, don't worry about it. We don't need a tub.
We're sorry.
We've got showers. Please forgive us. But for you, Garrett, this tub, it's done.
I think it took 3 years off of Matt's life, but
Took a year off of my life.
yeah, it was pretty. It's done though.
So this bathroom is small, but it has a lot of technical challenges.
Yeah.
Number one, how do you make a bathroom, which basically the whole thing is a shower, waterproof? So we had to go with a really special kind of plaster. It's
Yeah.
called Miralex, I hope I'm saying that right, and it is the coolest finish ever. It's smooth like plaster. It has tiny, tiny little granules in it. Look how pretty.
And it's waterproof, so that's the
So that's
best
good.
part. We don't have to worry about doing tile or any other finishes on those walls.
The ceiling too, and it is basically just this little box of a shower,
Yeah.
and it's great.
A big part of having Vivint in the home is security, but another benefit is safety. We have all kinds of sensors installed throughout the house. We have smoke detectors, CO2 detectors, flood sensors, motion detectors. Basically, if anything goes on in the house, we're gonna know about it.
Here's what is so cool about the Vivint sensors and what they actually do. If anything ever happens in your house, like a flood or fire, real people are notified and they get a hold of you wherever you are in the world. We've all heard those stories of thousands and thousands of dollars worth of damage. We ourselves have had super close calls. So having the system really can save you so much money just in damages alone and the peace of mind that it brings. So this week the G's are in Fiji and they gave us 2 options for what they could experience on their last day. They wanted to know, should they go shark diving or cave diving? Both sound
Both
very
scary.
adventurous. I hear that Jessica is super claustrophobic and terrified of caves. I would also be terrified of sharks. So should we find out
Yeah, this is
what
a
it
tough
is?
one. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Drum
Hang on,
roll.
someone sends us an email. Let me make sure we got the email. Cave diving.
You guys.
I feel bad for Jessica. She's gonna be so nervous. You could do it, Jess. Tell Jessica I'm sorry. It's cave diving.
I'll just be brave.
She'll be fine, right?
They'll be okay.
It's an adventure here too, guys. Like we're also having an adventure.
We saw turtles in the water the other day.
I swam in the ocean.
Let me tell you why Fiji is amazing. First and foremost are the people.
Right.
100%, and this was reconfirmed this trip, the nicest people in the whole world. In the whole world. Good job, Fiji. You're the nicest.
That's like the best award to have too. If you're gonna
Yeah.
be known for something, be known for how kind you are. In Fiji, that's you.
You win.
What's your favorite part?
Everything is just fresh. When you're eating food, it's fresh. When you're playing in the ocean, it's fresh. The water, the beauty, the nature, the wildlife, everything. It's so lovely and fresh here. Andy, Candis, thank you. We miss you and we're gonna see you pretty soon.
Good luck with the indoor-outdoor shower and our pool.
But for now, we're gonna see you later from Fiji and we're gonna leave you with a Fijian Dance by Jessica. Hit it.
No, what? After a lot of sweat and tears,
Blood, sweat, and tears.
literally, we are happy to report the tub is finished. The walls are finished. The sink, the toilet, it's all in there. Now it's time to decorate. Guess what I have to do to decorate? Nothing.
This is like, we have to hang one thing maybe?
It's a minimalist bathroom. We warned you.
You knew what you were getting into.
So we built this great Ep.5, I know it's Ep.5 this time for sure,
There we go.
shower wall on both sides, and that's where the outdoor shower comes into play. We're gonna plant some plants in there for privacy, and we're also gonna put a privacy film on the sliding glass door. I bet we'll get a lot of questions about that. Although if I looked as nice as Garrett and Jessica, I would be like,
Leave it open.
hey guys. Oh, excuse me, I'm bathing. Is that weird? I have goals,
Not
you
weird.
guys.
Dreams.
I have hashtag body goals, hashtag Jessica body goals. I'll get there.
So you got outdoor shower, you hop into the indoor shower, and
Yeah.
then that amazing pool.
Yeah, it's a,
Oh,
it's a
tub,
tub.
sorry.
Just
So you've got
call
the...
it a tub.
Okay,
It's a tub.
puro.
One thing, since this is real time and you're our best friends, as Kit would say, the tile did get here today. The tile got here today.
We can show you the tile.
I'm gonna show you the tile right now. 1 second. I got it! I got it! Thank you. Okay, the tile came today. Here it is. It's an 8-inch hexagon cement encosted tile, and it's
Beautiful.
beautiful. It's gonna look great in there.
Yeah.
Really
and you
pumped
will
about
be
it.
able to see it fully installed in
On the finale!
The finale.
'Cause that's how we roll. Okay, I am standing in an almost finished bathroom. It's so exciting. I wanted to show you guys kind of how it lays out. So we have the double shower in here and then the double shower outside. We haven't planted the plants yet, but they're coming. And then these fixtures are from Wayfair. They're beautiful Delta fixtures. They're gold, like a brushed gold. And the best part, Garrett really wanted something that could turn all the way hot with full pressure or all the way cold with full pressure. So we've got that for him. I think he's gonna love it. The Miralex finish is dreamy. It's dreamy. We talk about these finishes all the time. I just wish you guys could be here with me, awkwardly touching the wall. I got my lipstick on, and that can mean one thing. We're finished.
We're done. It is bath time. It is shower time. This
Don't get
bathroom's
too
done.
crazy.
No, we don't get to do any of that, but it's neat.
This bathroom really is like a technical work of art.
Yeah.
When it comes down to what it took to get the bathtub made, what it took to get the walls done and that special plaster, like it is a very high-tech, minimalist bathroom.
Yeah, it really took a lot to get it to look this effortless.
Yeah, no, that's so true. I love embracing this style. I love the shampoo and conditioner holders since they're like one of 2 things in here.
Yeah.
I did put body wash. Did you guys see? Are you proud of me?
Splurging.
3 things. We've got the beautiful towels from Wayfair. Those are super cool. I'm into this whole like Turkish bath towel trend. They're comfortable, they're big, they're soft. I think they're really great. Something Garrett wanted was the hot and cold full pressure, which we've given him.
Check.
Love it. These fixtures are powerful.
Yeah,
We
they
have good
really
water
they
pressure.
really stand out and speak for themselves.
And I love how the Ep.5 wall turned out for the outdoor shower. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's a good mix of that gold tone, the plasters, like the hard
Woods.
finishes, the softness of the woods. Just
Trevor,
a
that wood is
beautiful
like
fit.
super, super hard.
I'm talking design language,
Okay,
obviously.
excuse me. Just so you know, we burned through like 3 bits trying to get that hole in the Ep.5, dead serious. Even though this is a modern bathroom, I wanted to put fixtures in here that kind of felt a little bit historic. So the console sink has a bit of a detail to it, and then the toilet itself, like it's got like a crown molding detail.
I love that we can literally name everything in the room. Like it's that easy. Yeah.
There are
Did
5
we get all
things.
5 things? Okay.
Yeah,
good.
we did.
It
Now I
all
got the
looks
plant. There's a plant.
Yeah.
There's a lot of plants outside.
It looks great.
So decorated, you guys. I love it though.
I love it. Is it my favorite room yet? Yes.
Really?
Is it because of the Japanese furo style tub?
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Just call it a bathtub. I really do love this room. It's not like what I would totally gravitate to, but having it finished and seeing it like all done, it's amazing. And I love it. And maybe back home I might adapt a more minimalist lifestyle. There's something about it that's so calming. Like it doesn't have bathroom storage. We're gonna get that question. Like if you wanna brush your teeth, you bring your toothbrush with you. It will stay clean, it will stay non-cluttered. I think it'll be great.
And there's something beautiful about how built in this
Oh, yeah.
bathroom seems. The tub feels like it's just part of the room, which it is.
It is.
Because it's
A lot of the
cement.
concrete.
Yeah, that tub has been all over the room.
And I'm sure we're gonna get a lot of questions about the kids and the safety of the tub. I just wanna say, we didn't put a ladder on the outside. When the kids are in that tub, they're gonna be in there with Garrett or Jessica.
Yep, and this is a tub that you fill up to use and then drain. We have
Yep.
a big drain, but it's meant not to sit full all day for...
Oh, no way. This should be treated like a swimming pool. This tub is really for Garrett. This is called the Garrett, plunge pool.
Yeah.
Overall, I'm just so happy with how the space turned out. I was worried about this episode, to be honest. I'm like, there's nothing to see, but then I stepped back and thought, it's an indoor-outdoor shower room with a giant tub.
And
we're gonna be okay.
We had thoughts of blending it in with another room, and then we thought, wait a minute,
There's
this
so
is
much to
really
show.
cool. So
Yeah.
we hope you loved it.
Yeah, and I hope Garrett and Jessica love it.
Don't tell Garrett how big this tub is, guys.
He's gonna be so blown away. Every once in a while, I'm tempted to call him and be like, you know how big it is, right? Is that weird?
That's what he
Don't. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and a very special thanks to our sponsor, Vivint Smart Home. Without them, this whole series would not be possible, so thank you.
said. And honestly, we couldn't go without having it in our own home. We use it all the time. It makes us feel so safe and so secure knowing exactly what's going on in our home. So we really do use it and love it.
And Vivint has made it really easy for you to get your own smart and secure home. They've got a special offer just for our viewers. So you can either go to vivint.com/bucketlist or click the link below or call the toll-free number where you'll speak to an actual real-life person and find out how you can get this in your own home. Thanks for watching, guys.
See you next week.
See ya. Wait. Oh, I don't like it.